I can't. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new to The Naturally Nia. For this video, I'm showing you guys how to put lashes on like a pro. So I'm going to walk you through literally every step of the process because that's what you guys need to know. To get started, you take your lashes. So I'm going to talk like kind of through this on how you should pick lashes out, blah, 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 blah. So I always go for the cheap lashes in the beauty supply store. Anything else I feel like is generally overpriced when you're getting a good quality out of $4, $3 lashes. And especially if they're 3D, like make sure like you get 3D lashes so you can look like that girl. So, all right, this is the box I'm using. I guess it's pronounced LaFlare or Fair, I don't freaking know. And the code is LFSD 09E. So, let's crack these bad boys open. Okay, so this is it out the box. Honestly, my setup is pretty ratchet. So we're gonna just do this. I really would recommend that you're at your bathroom sink or at like a desk or something. I will say, like when I was first learning, like these type of mirrors are really good. These really help. You're gonna take the lashes out. I'm going to be looking in the mirror over here, so just bear with me. So here are the lashes out, and you're gonna peel one off. And you're going to want to line it up to your eye before you even put any type of glue or anything. You want to line it up to your eye to see the measurements of the lash, like right out the box. So I don't know if, I mean, this is like terribly placed. Like literally, let me look at myself. Okay. So this is kind of how it looks. I don't know if you could tell, but it looks just so much bigger, and it doesn't look as natural because it looks like it's just taking over my eye. Like, it's just so big. So what you want to do is, if you have an eye that's smaller, like I have like literally like miniature eyes, so what you're going to do is take a pair of handy dandy scissors, and I always cut off, like, if you look at the band, it's like these like sections on here, so I always would just cut off a section. The way these lashes are, this section's a fat section, so hopefully this looks okay, but I'm just going to cut that section off, that first section. I'm just gonna cut that right off. Like that's about how much I just took off. And you're gonna do it to the other lash as well too. And then you wanna line it back up again. And you always wanna do it on the inner side, this side closer to your eye, because you want like this part to look fabulous. Like you don't wanna take that away. And you can see that it just the measurements, even without the glue, it just looks way better, and it lines up with my eyes so much better. This is what I do. I always take a handy dandy pair of eyelash curlers, and I will just take this in the band part. I don't know how to like demonstrate this. So this is the lash. Here's my eyelash curler, and you're gonna just put the band in here like that, like put the band in there like that. And I will curl the lashes like this because like I feel like right out the box, in general I do this every time I put my lashes on, because I feel like it gives that like more of a curl to it than just taking it out flat and just keep doing that all over again. Like, no. And it already like looks so much more pronounced just like that, so I do that every single time. Okay, so after I do that, I take my handy dandy glue. I recommend duo, any type of duo, but I always use dark tone because when it dries dark, black. So like, if anything, if it dries in like black eyeliner, or it doesn't look crazy to me, like if it dries and I don't get the glue exactly on my eyelash line, it won't look crazy. So duo, you just want to put the glue directly on where like the lash band is. So it should look something like that. And I just kind of just do, the directions say for 30 seconds. I just do whatever. I kind of do like probably 15 seconds. So I kind of go like this, and that's kind of what I do. And here comes the harder part. Okay, so I'm gonna kind of put my mirror like this so I can kind of like let you guys look at me as I do this. Okay, so the next part is when you put it directly on your lash line, because I'm gonna be looking down so you guys can see how it looks as I'm putting it down. So you want to line it up right on your lash line, at the end of your lash, like your eyelid, and put it on. I try to hold on to the corners because those are the parts that have the hardest time sticking, but then you want to make sure you're still giving that middle love too. And I will say that, like, I wear contacts, so me being all up in my eye is literally like not a problem for me, but you just want to keep pressing it down, pressing it till it feels secure on your eye, making sure you show those corners love, because if you don't, they will lift up and you don't want that. And that is how I put on my lashes. So I'm about to do the next one. And you just want to make sure everything looks okay. So, like, usually I'll have a friend, like, I'll kind of like bend down and have her look, but like if I'm doing it by myself, I'll kind of squint this eye and look over here. And you just want to just fix anything up, maybe pull a corner down. This corner's kind of blowing me right now, but it happens. You have to have patience. Don't try to do your lashes 5 minutes into your look. Please have patience, please, because the time that you don't have patience, you might be putting them on like that, but the time that you don't have patience is the time it's gonna literally not want to stick or glue down. And you just have to give it time to kind of sit, because like at one point I brought white glue on accident or something, and I was upset and I felt I was rushing because I didn't know, like, because white glue, it dries so weird to me. Like, I don't like how white glue dries, but like anything, as long as you're using freaking using lash glue, it doesn't have to be duo lash glue, but like as long as you're using lash glue, if you're using anything other than lash glue, why would you do that to your poor lashes? Like, your lashes are so, like, I mean, I don't even have like long lashes. Like, that's why I started wearing lashes in like my junior year, because like I have no lashes. But like still, you want to treat your natural ones with love, not like anything. Like, come on now. And I'm just gonna show you guys how to do this other eye too, just so you guys see what's going on. And I don't do them with tweezers. Even when I had acrylics, I don't do them with tweezers, because even though, like I said, I'm really with, like, I not play with my eye, but since I'm like since I have my contacts or whatever, I'm always nervous that I'm going to pluck my eye out, and that's a fear of mine, and I think it's an okay thing. But if you guys can do it with lashes, I mean tweezers, then go you, girl. I'm just nervous. Even though I feel like people who do with tweezers are like the cool kids, because like they would just be like, but I can't, and I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. So here I go again. If I can figure this mirror out. And you just want to get it as close to your, like, they call it your lash line, but I remember when I was first learning how to do them and people kept saying that, and I was like, what the heck is that? So just honestly the end of your eyelid, and just press those babies right on. Make sure you're giving those corners the love that they need, in the middle too, because then you'll have a gap right in the middle, and that's not cute. So just press them on. And that is how you put lashes on. Thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoy. Go and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe while you're at it.